Craziness. Now, we're working linear inequalities. We're trying to find their solutions, which I say it's the solution set. Okay. 7x minus 15. Notice these things have more terms in them as time goes by. I guess you could say they're getting more complex. So we're going to solve for this linear inequality. What do we do first? Well, there's a couple things. You could leave this 12x over on the right hand side if you want and take the 7x over. But I think what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and subtract 12x from both sides. We'll just do that. How's that? Okay. So subtracting 12x from both sides, we have plus 7x minus 15 is greater than 12x, and I'm going to go ahead and write minus 12x here, and then plus 4. So we're just subtracting 12x from both sides, trying to get our x's over to one side of this linear inequality. Okay, so as you can see here, they're going to cancel out, right? And you're going to be left with over here on the left hand side negative 12 plus 7. Since they're both like terms, we can just add their coefficients. So that's going to be 3, 4, 5 negative 5x, yeah, is greater than negative 5x is greater than, let's go you know what, we better not do that. Let's just go ahead and get rid of this. And we have minus 15 is greater than 4. So now what we need to do is get this 15 and take it over here to the right hand side. And since instead of subtracting, writing it out, okay, I'm just going to move it. Is greater than 4 minus 15. Okay. And rewriting again, we have negative 5x is greater than, so 4 minus 15, or wait a minute, that's a plus. Whoa. So when we moved, we added 15 to both sides. Okay. Alright. That makes that a 19. About made a mistake. Well, we have this negative out here in front of the coefficient, so we're going to multiply both sides by its reciprocal. Negative 1 over 5 times 19. Okay. And so that's going to go to 1, but we're not going to write that 1 out in front of x. And then this is negative 19 over 5. Negative 19 over 5. What happened here? Something's fishy. Okay, we multiplied both sides by a negative, and when we do that, we must flip the sign. So hopefully you caught that. I hope. So we got to flip it. Right, we multiply by a negative to both sides. We got to flip that sign. Okay, flip that sign. All right. Let's go ahead and draw our number line, and let's see, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 3.8 or something like that. Let's see. Okay. Now, we don't include it, so we use open circle, and it's everything to the left. All right, everything to the left. And let's go ahead and write this in interval notation. I like to write this below. Okay, so we're going from, right, it's between negative infinity, and it doesn't include, because this is an open, it's open here, right, negative 19 over 5. Okay, so that would be your interval notation. That would be your interval notation. All right, I'm going to, let's see, open, don't save. Yeah, we'll just start over with a fresh screen here. Now, you know what? I think we'll just end it here, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay.